Welcome to Pip Insight. Thursday the 2nd of July, New York pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 5 showing bullish structure and 2 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's New York pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure: gold dollar, euro dollar, pound dollar, Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar. Pairs showing bearish structure: dollar yen, dollar Swiss. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you've been waiting for the gold segment, here we go, because this one is absolutely live this morning. Gold has exploded higher, and we're talking about a 75-point move in a single 15-minute candle at the 8:30 New York time release window, price ripping from around $4,078 all the way up to a session high of $4,154. That tells you immediately what we're dealing with. A high-impact catalyst hit the tape, and the market reacted decisively. Structurally, the bias here is strongly bullish across the 4-hour, 1-hour, and 15-minute timeframes. Price is comfortably above both the 20 and 50 period EMAs on the 4-hour chart. MACD is showing a fresh bullish crossover, and RSI at around 65 gives us room before overbought territory becomes a concern. Now, the fundamental picture matters enormously here. Non-farm payrolls came in well below the 172,000 prior print, with the forecast already sitting at just 114,000. A softer jobs number weakens the dollar and supports gold as both a safe haven and a rate cut hedge. That's exactly the dynamic we're watching play out right now. Into this session, the levels to keep on your radar are the $4,090 to $4,105 support zone below, an overhead resistance sitting between $4,150 and $4,175. Watch how price behaves around that session high of $4,154, that's your immediate battleground. Euro dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 1.147 and 1.148. Support is marked between 1.1405 and 1.1415. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound dollar. The chart is showing clearly defined bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 1.3382 and 1.3395. Support is marked between 1.3325 and 1.3335. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar yen. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 161.8 and 161.95. Support is marked between 160.62 and 160.8. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing clearly defined bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.8062 and 0.8075. Support is marked between 0.7995 and 0.801. Here is the full chart breakdown. Aussie dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.694 and 0.6955. Support is marked between 0.6887 and 0.6899. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.5716 and 0.5718. Support is marked between 0.5672 and 0.5675. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the New York pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.